Don't forget to like your favorite foods. Hello everyone, B Radical here. Happy Sunday to all. Today I have Kit Kat milk tea. Ooh, sounds good. Okay. There we go. We're gonna break it off as usual. And here we go. Actually, I can taste some tea in that. And the milk, too. That one had some flavor into it. Not like the sweet potato one I had. That's pretty good. If I had to go Kit Kat milk tea out of 10, that'll be a solid 10 out of 10. It is really good. I will buy a bigger one of these if I can find it. Wow. Really good. Don't forget to like your favorite foods. This is B Radical. Sign off.